currency strength. It seems that everybody talks about dollar index, but if you do it to the dollar, why can't you do it to everything? If you do it to everything, why can't you have a look at overall currency strength? Next up is Lloyd. He's going to talk about overall currency strength for us. Lloyd, has it been a good week for you?
Hi, Paul. It's actually been a relatively okay week for me. I mean, any week that makes money is a good week for me.
For all of us, man.
Yeah. All right. So with that, let me share my analysis for this week. Look, for Euro, I think I was actually half expecting Euro to actually reject off 120, but it actually get up and closes above 120, which I was rather surprised. Yeah, considering that this is really a good level that price will actually bounce or reject. So it seems that such a bullish close does warrant a long for Euro. Yeah, but at the same time, looking at past history price, which is back in 2018, I don't think a run will be very long, but it's still a good run that we possibly grab some pips off. Yeah, especially for the intraday traders or even the swing traders. Yeah, so this is definitely something to keep a lookout for. Coming up next will be the Canadian index. Now this has the same fate of Euro. You can see that in the Canadian index for the week on the weekly chart, price is really hugging the $80 level. Yeah, for 3-4 weeks. And if you look in the price action, is that really the buyers doesn't want to give up the ground. And then finally for last week, they broke above. Yeah, so it's not a really strong break. You can see that it's really just a pick above. So what's going to happen now is that I'm going to, on Monday or Tuesday, have to see that if there's a retest of $80 level and then close above last week's high. Then if that happens, then I'll be really bullish about the Canadian dollars. Yeah, the Canadian currency. Yeah, so keep a lookout for Euro and Canadian. Now, next comes is Kiwi. So you can see that Kiwi, very standard, price broke up, higher low, and bounces off $70. Very beautiful. So I'm just going to be bullish about this. Now, where price will go, I don't know, but since it gives the really standard cyclicity, why not just get along with the right? Right, so Swiss, you can see that price has been bullish for the past 3 weeks. Probably price is going to just hit up all the way. And on the weekly charts, this is where price actually previously bounces off. Yeah, so just a fair bit, not a very long distance that price can run, but still we can make use of it. Now I didn't rank Swiss really high up, so I'll still probably, if there's a really fantastic setup, then I'll go for Swiss. Otherwise, I'll still be keeping a lookout for Euro, CAD, and Kiwi. Now, pound, any price that is actually near a horizontal level, if it's been hugging around the area, I don't really like to trade it. Yeah, until it gives me clarity. Yeah, so pound is one of those that now is at 140. I'd rather stay off its way until it gives me a clear direction that it's actually bouncing off or that it's actually breaking above.
Nice, man. Nice.
Yeah. Aussie, how long we have been doing this show, and I've been saying that the Aussie index has been ranging. Yeah, it doesn't seem to want to break off this area. Yeah, so any range traders out there, I think they're having a good time trading Aussie to the top and to the bottom. So now we can say that our price is really near to the top. We can actually have a good guess that price will actually go to the bottom. So this is the play that may be coming out. Yen, I'm bearish about Yen simply is because of this horizontal level. But I would place Yen in the position as let me see, Swiss. Was it Swiss? Sorry, pound. Yeah, it's really near a level, you can see, but this is really a short-term horizontal level. So until price give me clarity where it wants to go, I will stay out of it. But the current sentiment for Yen will be short simply because price goes down. Simply, this is a retest for me, and I do expect price to actually go down. In the event it did not, then I'll just stay out of its way. Now, DXY, I think 2 weeks back, I'm saying that I don't know where really dollar wants to go. But for now, it's showing me clarity that it goes down to $90. Not a very long run, but still something that we can actually take advantage of. Yeah. So bearish on Yen till 80, fair bit of space to run. Now for this week, there are pairs. The pairs that I'm going to look out for is actually dollar CAD. So since I'm bullish on CAD, bearish on dollar, I'm just waiting for this play, waiting for price dollar CAD to break the horizontal level, retest, and I'll just go short. Euro Yen, same play, break at level, retest, go long. Now, more cautiously is actually where I have, Aussie Kiwi. Yeah, so you can see that Aussie Kiwi just now I'm saying that Aussie is actually on a bit of a range. So we can actually hope that, I won't use the word hope, we can see that price for Aussie Kiwi is actually ranging downwards. And since I've ranked that Kiwi is stronger, I'm just looking for Aussie to actually either break this level, retest, go below, or just strengthen a fair bit more because it has not really reached the high of the range, and then break the level so that I can go short. So these are really just standard setup for me, waiting for a chart to play itself out. That's all.
Lloyd, thanks for that. I really like that. I think that the sometimes for people to get the ideas about the currency index thing is interesting. Mate, TradingView are busy advertising today, aren't they? But I like that when you've got that information, what you do with it's really simple. Break, retest, go. Nice, simple trading stuff that works. I've got a couple of things for you, mate. First of all, thanks for your cross. Second, you're the first one to put a price on the euro on the new competition on the Excellence Wealth Facebook page, mate.
Yeah, should I show that?
Yeah, mate, 122. Yeah, like it.
Yeah, so I was looking at your post, and I was thinking, when I have a look at this chart also. So looking back, I think 122, you can see that price is where hesitation, break above, come back down, retest. Yeah, I just have a guess that price will probably within this week, you'll reach up to 1.22. And then let's see what will happen with the trend at 10th. Yeah, so certainly this is a trend to me. Yeah, it happened for the past 2.5 weeks already.
I like it, mate. I reckon you're a week early. I reckon we might go there at the end of next week. But the competition, you can enter it every day once, so you can have a few more guesses if you want to. A couple of guesses around the horizontal levels. We're just starting this, and the winner will get a $50 ATW voucher this week. Next week it'll be a different prize. So we're going to do a euro. Pick the euro competition every week, and you can enter it once a week. Thank you very much for that, mate. Enjoy.